Hello everyone, my name is Jenny Carol Perez Villanueva. My code is 463801444. This is the last task of Advanced English 2. I'm going to talk about one song. The name is You're Beautiful by James Blunt. I like this song because it's romantic, it's soft and loud. So I love romantic music. The lyrics of these songs are me feel special because, for example, if I'm stressed or I'm sad, I put this song and my mood change. I feel immediately I feel romantic, happy, relaxing, because not only the lyrics, just the sounds of acoustic guitar and drums are soft, make a sound soft, and mix with the voice of singer or singer's voice, mix together and make a beautiful song. That is for me, from my point of view, because some people maybe doesn't like. For example, uh, all human beings are different. Somebody think different, feel different. So for me, I love this song. I like so much, but somebody maybe doesn't like. So something that maybe don't like is when I saw the video. James Blunt is sad in the video, maybe because the lyrics say talk about history, about he saw one woman and impressed him, but he knows that never happened something between them. So for that reason, maybe the video James Blunt chose something sad. But doesn't matter for me because I love the instrumentation, the sounds instrumentation, the voice of James Blunt I like. The melody of the guitar and the melody of drums are complementing by enjoying in a beautiful song. I say before the lyrics are good and say me that a really good message because that song starts with my life is brilliant, you're beautiful. That are a really good message for the people. So for that reason I like. Maybe he loved his life, that all the people have to do. So maybe if one person different to James Blunt decide to sing that song in different way, maybe I don't know, maybe like, maybe I don't like. It's different because I don't listen this song in different way, but maybe if I someday listen it in different way, I don't like. I would like to share with you some values part, or some part that are good. The words are good for me. So give me a second, please. I show you and I share with you this. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. I saw your face in a crowded place. I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Sorry, that's my favorite part. I know I have a really bad voice. It's not good, but that's it. It's my opinion about the song. So thank you so much for listening. Bye.